Hi, I'm Steve Clemens, president of URL Insurance Group. I first got involved in supporting Blood Cancer United, formerly Leukemia Lymphoma Society, 7 years ago. When I got involved in supporting LLS, now Blood Cancer United, I never knew the personal impact it would have on my life. Many of you know my daughter Delaney was diagnosed with B-cell ALL leukemia 11 months ago. So at URL Insurance Group, we're taking part in Blood Cancer United's Big Climb event on Saturday, April 18th at the Giant Center in Hershey. Team URL will be climbing the stairs of the Giant Center in honor of my daughter Delaney, who's currently undergoing her treatments, in memory of Haley Thornton's father, Michael, who passed from a blood cancer, as well as nearly the 1.8 million Americans who live with blood cancer today. We'll climb the steps of the Giant Center to honor all of those who have passed from blood cancer and live with blood cancer, and to raise money and funds to help with therapies, treatments, and research that saves lives. So how can you support us? I'm glad you asked. Please consider joining Team URL and climb with us on Saturday, April 18th. If you're physically unable to climb, please come out and support us. It's going to be a fun event, and we'll need the extra support from all of those friends and families out there cheering us on. And lastly, if you can't make the event, you can't participate in the event, please consider making a donation to a URL team member to help them reach their personal fundraising goals. Your donation not only supports our fundraising, but the millions of patients and their families like mine that are affected by blood cancer every day. Thank you.